Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today I want to give a big shout out to all of those Goon Squad fans out there. In today's video, I'm talking about the maintenance costs on my Lamborghini Huracan, and also I need you guys' help because I want to do a collaboration with Goon Squad.
Motivation.
That's right.
Welcome to Will Motivation. Holla. Okay, so I just did a video recently where I actually put together a gift that I wanted to give to the Goon Squad who are out there rebuilding a Lamborghini Huracan. It's actually white, similar to mine. I actually have mine wrapped in satin pearl white, but underneath the car, let me show you real quick. Underneath this wrap, the car is red.
Drums, please.
Where's the Lambo, bro?
Oh, man, it's right here. Check this out.
It's nasty. Look at it. I didn't even tell her what color it's gonna be. So as you can see right there, has the red stitching, Alcantara, and the actual paint job is red. But anyway, man, the subject of today's video and the reason why I want to collaborate with Goon Squad, man, is because those dudes have inspired me to work on my Lamborghini Huracan myself, because they're rebuilding. I mean, they bought a wrecked 580-2 and they're rebuilding it with parts off of a 610-4. My Lamborghini right here is a 610-4, but let's talk about some of the maintenance costs when you take this thing to the Lamborghini dealership. So I recently took my car, and I have right here the actual receipt, and I'll show you guys the picture of the receipt. But yeah, shout out to Hamza, he's controlling the camera today. But I got the receipt for the maintenance that I recently did, taking this car to the shop. Now, I was only doing some basic stuff, like changing to OEM tires. I got the OEM Pirelli P0s on there. I bought the tires myself. Now, when I give you this price, it does not include the price of the tires. These tires cost about, all for a brand new set of Pirelli P0s for a Lamborghini Huracan, which are like special tires that have like an L on them. Like if you look right, zoom in right here. That's the L for Lamborghini. So you gotta buy special tires for your car just for Lamborghini. They're Pirellis, but they have L for Lamborghini. So they cost a little bit more than your regular P0s. But anyway, I wanted to get the right tires on this car because I supercharged the car, and the tires that I had on the car before, they would slip. And when they would slip, they would rip the valve stems. And it was causing me all kind of problems. I really couldn't drive the car hard. But now that I have these Pirellis on there, the car is driving great. No air is leaking out of tires or anything like that. But I paid for the tires. The tires cost me about $1,400 for a set of 4 tires, okay? So that's that. Now this price that when I took the car to the dealership does not include the tires. All right, so what I did, I got the tires mounted on the rims, and then I got them balanced. So everybody knows what that is, right? You get the mount, you basically get the tires, the old tires taken off the rims, the new tires put on, then they get balanced so that they don't wobble when you're on the freeway. So they balance the tires for me. I also got an alignment because the car is lowered, and it's been a while since I got an alignment, so I got the car aligned. So these are all the things that I did, and then I'm gonna give you guys the grand total that the dealership, the Lamborghini dealership, charged me, and this is why I'm gonna start renting on my own car. Shout out to Goonzquad. All right, so tires mounted and balanced. I got an alignment. I got new TPMS sensors and valve stems, which are these. Those are the valve stems, and then so that's the valve stem. And then on the inside of that, you got a TPMS sensor, which is a tire pressure monitoring system. And basically it tells the car if your tire pressure is too low or too high, so that you don't have any dangerous situations happen when you're driving. So I got new ones, all right? Because I wanted to make sure that wasn't the reason why air was leaking out when I started getting into it. What else did I do? The other thing I did was I had a loose hose in my windshield wiper washer system, and I got that fixed. Minor little fix, right? All they did was reconnected a hose so that my washer fluid wouldn't leak out. Now, all of that stuff that I got done, basically, if you go to a regular tire shop with a regular car and you get your tires mounted and balanced, you get an alignment and some minor fix like that, it's gonna cost you about $250 max to do that. Like maybe even less than that. Maybe, I mean, the alignment is probably gonna be the most expensive thing, and the parts for the TPMS sensors and stuff. So it might cost a little bit more. It might cost like $400, something like that max. It cost me for this Lamborghini in maintenance, parts and labor, $1,749.36. Yo, so anyway, shout out to Goonzquad, man, because them dudes are doing stuff themselves, and they have inspired me to start doing the little minor repairs and stuff like that myself. I want to do a collaboration with Goonzquad when they get their Lamborghini Huracan finished. I want to drive my Huracan down there, maybe meet them at the track, maybe just do a little episode on Wheel Motivation on my channel, interviewing those guys and just getting their story. So if you guys think that is a good idea, hit the thumbs up on this video, and I'll reach out to the guys at Goonzquad and see if I can get them in for an interview and have them on my channel to talk about the history of their channel, to talk about their new Lamborghini once they get it finished, and maybe go for a ride, maybe let them ride my supercharged Lamborghini Huracan so that they can see the difference. Because what I predict is once they drive this supercharged Lamborghini Huracan, they're going to want to put a supercharger on their Huracan. Now, if you haven't seen a supercharged Huracan, let me show you guys real quick what it looks like. So let's come on over here and show them the supercharger. Let me open it up for you. Take a look. That is the supercharger from VF Engineering. It is painted in the, what do you call it? The Performante valve cover color. That's what I had put on my supercharger. I like it. Like that's my favorite color for the supercharger and for the valve covers. But since I don't have valve covers like that anymore, and we have the supercharger, I wanted to get the same color that they paint those valve covers on the Performante. So anyway, man, if you guys would subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up for me. Shout out to Goonzquad. Tell them in their comment section that they need to do a collaboration with Wheel Motivation and drive my supercharged Lamborghini Huracan, so that after they drive it, they're gonna want to supercharge theirs. And I'm sure those guys can do it themselves. I got mine installed by VF Engineering at their shop. I'll put a link to that video if you guys want to see it, where I got the car on a dyno and everything out there with Nick from VF Engineering. I'll let you guys check it out. Now, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is your boy Wheel Motivation. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
What?